She is our special guest. That's good. And we're going to make homemade potato chips. When you eat these, you're never going to go back to those crazy packets with all the crazy bad stuff in it. They've got like anti-caking agents and preservatives and full of oil. These are oil-free, fat-free potato chips, homemade, and Shona, you're going to make them.
Right.
Shona just actually popped in today and she was down the road and she's going to be on the show with us, which is good.
I'm going to do oil-free, fat-free chips.
Yes, and you're going to start.
Okay.
It's very simple because this is Shona-proof, so you're not going to hurt yourself. So you just want to make thin slices of potato, okay? So a mandolin's the best thing to have because you make them all the same size and you don't have to waste time. Okay?
It's not that hard.
Nah, easy, done. Okay, Shona, they're too thin, but that's okay, we can work with it. You've got to push harder, that's it, push harder, that's it. Okay, done. They should be enough. All right, so this is what our potato chips look like. You can almost see through them, not quite, but you want it to be thin. And you just put them on baking paper because we're going to microwave them. So you just put them on baking paper.
No, in the oven?
No, not in the oven. In 3 minutes, they're done, pretty much.
3 minutes?
Yep.
This would be great for after-school snacks.
Oh, you know what? Even during school, like, you could send it with the kids. Oh, let me do some too, because I'm going to make them thicker. Because you're just not as strong as I am.
Oh, I've been busy this week.
They can't touch each other when they're on the baking paper, just on a plate. Baking paper. Now, you can put anything you want on these. I like to put a bit of onion powder. Come along.
Yep.
Don't run away from me.
Oh, look,
bit of salt. Can you put some salt? Italian herbs? Yeah, put some Italian herbs. This is some onion powder.
Italian herbs on there?
A little bit.
Oh, now this
no. Okay, yeah, I knew that was going to happen, Shona.
Sorry. This is my favourite, pink salt. I
Okay,
love
there you go.
pink salt.
Some pink salt all over them, Shona.
All over?
Yeah.
Okay. Over the hands.
Okay.
We're having great fun here.
Okay, that's enough. Work. Okay, so every microwave's different. My microwave, in 3 minutes and 20 seconds, they're done. But you don't want to overburn them, so you're going to test your microwave and you're going to do it maybe 2-minute intervals. So just do 2 minutes first, check them. We'll bring them out and show you. I'll do 3 minutes to start. And you are going to be our taste tester.
Yay. We're going to try them? We're going to try them? Yeah? Cool.
So the chips have been in there for 3 minutes and 10 seconds and they smell awesome.
They do. They smell really good.
And I'm going to get Shona and Olive to try them. Now, hold on, before they do, I want to show you what they look like. Ooh, watch your microwave doesn't burn them, okay? So you don't want them to be burnt, but these is what they look like. The garlic's sort of got colour in there, and they are crispy.
Crispy. Did you hear that? They went crunch.
Okay, do you want to try it? All right, let's go.
Ready? They are good.
I told you. And you know what? If you like salt and vinegar chips, all you need is one of those little spray containers and put a little bit of vinegar, spray the chips, put a bit of salt. You can make any flavour you like. You can make them cheesy with using, what have I got here? Nutritional yeast flakes. You can do so much with them. Put them in the kids' lunchbox. You don't feel bad. There's nothing in them. It's just pure potato. And you can use sweet potato if you like. How good is that?
They are awesome.
I know. Better than the packets.
Them. Yeah.
No oil, no bad stuff.
Nice.
Would you be trying these? Will you give them to your husband, Shona? You'll like them, eh? So at night, if you're watching a movie, they're just so quick to make. And then everyone's got... Done. Yeah? High five.
High five. Too many high fives today.